Hello, welcome to my office. I'm Dr. Steph, a chiropractor based out of Grand Marais, Minnesota, and I've got your back. Today I want to talk about some easy ways that you can relieve sinus pressure at home. So it's going to be pretty simple, and you can do this a couple of times a day. You might start to notice some release happening pretty quickly. Here are just some ways that you can do that. So there are going to be three main spots that we press on, three main things that we do. The first is going to be up above the eye socket. So start with your thumbs on the bridge of your nose and trace up, sort of this is your front, this eye bone here, up, and there will be this teeny little notch that you'll feel. And if you sort of go out too far, you've probably missed it, but go back. And you know, everyone's eyebrows are different, but right here, this is called the supraorbital notch. And you're gonna press just straight up to the sky with your thumbs on those notches. And if you're having sinus infection, some sinus pain, this probably won't be super comfortable, but just do the best you can, hang in there. I notice my shoulders are up, so I'm gonna relax my shoulders and just upward pressure 30-ish seconds or so here. Maybe we've gone a little longer than that. You can release that. Already feeling some of those sinuses go. The next, we're gonna take hands down on the outside of the nose and kind of under these cheekbones. Again, everyone's facial anatomy is a little different. So I kind of start at the top of the nostrils, and there are a couple spots right here, little dots. So again, kind of out from the side of your nostrils or down, and you'll feel just little sort of depressions there. And again, this time we're gonna push straight back. So straight in. You look very cute doing this. But just press. And again, 30-ish seconds. Again, this might feel kind of tender if you're in the middle of some sinus pressure, which you are if you're doing this video. But press. Oof, straight back. The last one we'll do is on your ear. So you can grab either your earlobe or you can grab sort of on the inside of the ear here, and we're just gonna pull. So I'm gonna use my thumb behind my ear and try to get this part of my hand up on my ear there, so I have a good grip. And I'm just gonna pull down, slowly down, and then a little bit back. This should feel good. It should be sort of gentle, steady pressure down and then a little bit back. You can also think about making kind of a Nike swoop. So a gentle tug down and then back. You can do one ear at a time if that's more comfortable, or you can do both. And if you feel like nothing's really happening, then you can put your pinky or your fingertip actually into the base of your ear canal there and tug down from there to make sure that it's not just your earlobe moving, but we're really clearing out that eustachian tube. So it might work better to get your fingers in your ears. And again, down and a little bit back. Maybe you're already noticing some of that sinus pressure clearing. There is one other spot if you really are having trouble, and that is in your mouth at the very back. My fingers have just been in my ears, so I'm not going to demonstrate this one all the way, but at the very back, so pretend my finger's on the inside, at the very back of my teeth, where my teeth meet my jaw, there's a little opening there, and so you can finger in your mouth, press against that, and you're going to go swoop out and down. So again, pretend my finger's on the other side of my cheek, all the way up. I follow along, all the way along my teeth, way back behind the molars, and then I'm gonna swoop against my cheek out and down. Now, that is very uncomfortable, but can be really helpful. You can also do all of these points on kiddos if they're stuffed up. Again, tracing up, finding that notch there, finding these little dots next to the nostrils, down and back with the ears. Being gentle, of course, with kiddos, but hope that helps. If you have any other questions, check out my website, these other YouTube videos, but don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for taking good care of yourself. Remember, bodies are meant to be enjoyed. I'm here to help, and I'll see you next time.